So this is actually not as expensive as I thought it was going to be. So as I talked about a couple of days ago, the Huawei tri-foldable phone, the Mate XT, the inner screen is starting to crack. It's starting to crack, it's starting to bubble, and it's breaking. Some people are saying that it's breaking right outside the box. Some people are saying it's breaking in the first couple of days. This is, again, a problem with first-gen products, is this kind of stuff does happen, which does suck. And also, of course, you know, it's $3,000. So it's very, very concerning. With that being said, if your phone screen does break, Huawei is not fixing it for free. They're not. They're not going to say, hey, yeah, whoopsie daisy, you know, our product broke. Now you're kind of stuck out of luck. They're going to charge you for fixing the inside display. And that charge is $1,100. Which I kind of expected it to be more. I kind of expected it to be like maybe like $1,500, $1,700. But yeah, no, they'll fix it for $1,100, which is crazy, insane amount. But yeah, I mean, you spend $3,000, you get a device, this thing breaks within a day, and they're breaking all over the place. The selling market, the secondhand market now is collapsing because of this. And $1,100 to fix it. Which, I mean, what do you do at that point? You either have a $3,000 paperweight that you can't do anything with, or you spend $1,100, you get the thing fixed, and then, again, you might have even more problems with it, you know, glitching out or breaking. So then you're kind of in the same situation again. This is, again, why I don't know if tri-foldable phones will ever be successful or forever take off, because it's the durability, one, and it's two, it's the price tag, and three, it's really just first-gen products. And when you have a first-gen product that's this, you know, dangerous, I would say, to get involved with as a consumer, you're just not going to get many consumers to, you know, get on board with it. So it is what it is at the end of the day, but $1,100 is the cost of a brand new cell phone, a flagship cell phone. They do say in this article that that's the same price as an iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro in China, and also in America, roughly around that price tag. So yeah, no, it's definitely very expensive, but again, don't spend $3,000 on a cell phone. Let's be honest. $1,800 is already a crap ton to spend, and that's even pushing it. $3,000. And not only that, there's some people who are buying it in the secondhand market. Not anymore, but when it first came out, people were buying the secondhand market this cell phone for $6,000. So even then, I mean, imagine paying $6,000. There was someone they interviewed that said he spent $6,000 on this cell phone, and it broke right away. And $1,100 to repair it. Ugh. See you guys next one.